Welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home. I'm going to look at a digraph for you in Key Stage 1 today. So it should be a sound that you're quite familiar with reading, but again, sometimes when you're spelling, you do make a mistake with the letters that you write down for this one. So I'm going to show you these letters here. Okay, and that makes the sound. Okay, now it's worth remembering that this is the letter Q. The letter Q in English never appears without the U. Okay, they come as a pair. You have to have them together. And they do make the Q sound, which does sound like a K. Okay, so what I find when I'm seeing people write, when they're just learning to write, they sometimes write a K like a K and then a W, because it does make the same sound as Q. Okay, but in English, those sounds that I've just said don't come together. You wouldn't see them written down together. We have the Q and the U that makes that sound. So at home, you can say and you can remember that that is written down with the Q and the U. And when you're writing, if you ever write a Q, you know there has to be a U coming after it. That is just a rule that goes all through the English language. So we're going to write some words that start with the Q and the U letters today. I have done one. I have done this word. Okay, can you read that one at home? So it is quick. Okay, the word quick. Again, if you sound out quick, it does sound like quick. But this is the okay, that's a really important one. Lots and lots of people spell that wrong. So you're going to now pause the video and think of as many words as you can that start with QU. Okay, off you go. Okay, so let's see if we've got any of the same words. Here's my first word. Oh, I've done my second word because I've done quick already, didn't I? So here is my second word. And you can see I've got a vowel digraph in the middle there, the E. So I've got queen. Okay, it was our queen's birthday last week, wasn't it? We have got this one. Quiet. Now that's doesn't make the I sound, so I shouldn't necessarily put the sound button there, but it is quiet. Shh. And perhaps you have this one in your bedroom. See if you can sound that out and then blend it together. Quilt. Have your quilt on your bed when you snuggle down. And the last one I've got here, and I haven't put the sound buttons on because this last bit you can't really sound out. But if I cover this up, you might be able to sound this bit out. Quest. And if we add this on the end, we have question. Again, sounds like qu. Okay, it's the QU sound, question. Okay, there are other words. There's quack, the sound a duck makes. You might have had quickly, you might have had quite. Okay, there are some other words you could have done as well. So now your next job, your last job, is to try and write a sentence using your capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end, and to try and think of a sentence that has maybe one or two of the words that you have written in. I've got one here. Okay, I want you to see if you can read this sentence at home. The little duck gave a quiet quack. So I've used the word quiet and quack. The little duck gave a quiet quack. That might give you a clue for a sentence that you want to write. So you could use mine as an example, and you can just change a few words, or you can even just try and write the same sentence that I've written, but without looking at it, because that's still practicing your spelling. That's absolutely fine. Or you can think of a sentence of your own. So good luck with that. And I will see you back here tomorrow where we'll do a new letter string, a blend, or a sound. It's all about spelling here. See you tomorrow. Bye.